Okay, good day. Welcome to another wonderful episode of CRIMXO Classroom. And today we have a very wonderful topic, change of subject formula. And the question says, given that V equals pi r square h, make h the subject. So here, what we're going to do, the essence of changing the subject formula is to derive a particular formula for the term h in this formula here. So what it simply means is make h to be equal to the given formula. So the first thing we have to do is repeat the question equals pi r square h. Now, as we notice, the only things attached to h, the term h in these equations are pi and r square, and they are separated by the multiplication sign. So to make h the subject, we're going to eliminate everything that is attached to the term h. So we divide both sides by the things attached to h, which are pi and r square. Pi and r square. So pi cancel pi, r square cancel r square. We are left with v over pi r square is equal to h. This can be rewritten as h equals v over pi r square. So have you seen that we've successfully derived a particular formula for the term h from the original formula? So this is the essence of changing subject formula. Thank you.